everyone. I had some lovely beads come in yesterday and I thought I'd make some bracelets with you, and they're absolutely gorgeous. They are 10mm acrylic ball beads. Here's my beads. Cutters, I'm using 0.8mm elastic, bead clip and my ruler for measuring the elastic. So I'm going to do the red ones first. Well, they're like a reddy brown. So I'm going to measure 12 inches. Pop a bead clip on the end, or a stationary clip as I do. They really are lovely colours. You'll see. Beautiful. And they're quite large holes as well. I think they're 2.5mm holes. So the average bracelet length is 7 inches. That's a standard bracelet size. All the supplies can be found on my website, which is www.lowcostcraftsuppliesuk. I do send to USA and Canada as well. And you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. Just measure and see. I'll let you know how many beads. And to make it helpful for you, I'm actually selling these in packs of 10. Some people don't want to make bracelets, and that's fine. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 beads on that one. Just give it a good stretch. So looking at these, you could also make what I would call a planet bracelet or necklace. That could be Mars. Something. These things come to me as I make things. Just tie. Go through twice. Remember the surgeon's knot. And then we're going to go through this way. And snip the ends off. And then I've just pulled it through to hide the knot in the bracelet. And we'll just do another one using these. They really are lovely. Which I think I'll stretch this one beforehand. Remember to keep your elastic, your bracelets and elastic in a clear bag. It helps them last longer. And they have like a swirl effect on some as well. Counting 1, 2, 3. Double check them. Here's another one. The two colours are the same. So if you wanted earrings, maybe you could have some. Still got glitter from yesterday's resin. I made some resin jewelry, some resin rings for the first time. It's quite interesting. I'm really pleased how it turned out. I also reviewed a UV resin lamp that I bought for curing the resin. It was really cheap. So go and check that out if you're interested in having a go at resin jewelry. There's not a lot of outlay needed at all. Okay, so just snip these off. Where's the hole? There, just hide the hole. There we go. And there's our 2 bracelets. So please like and subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available and lots more planned. So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.